Hello and welcome all to my Ghatna Chakra series session. Next chapter we will moving towards the ancient literature. Ancient literature. We have already covered South Indian kingdoms. We have already covered South Indian kingdoms. Now we'll move to the ancient literature. And I don't think brief introduction required to this chapter because it's all factual. You have to revise authors and the book names. So it will be a bit easy to revise through the question format. Okay. In the question format. So the first question is, who was the father of history? Herodotus was the father of history. Next question, list one and list second. In list first, author's name given and a list second, book names given. So they're asking the given books was written by which of the following authors. So if I talk about Panini was written by Ashtadhyayi wrote Panini. Okay. Which was a Tamil grammar. It was a Tamil grammar. Okay. Mahabhasha wrote Patanjali. Nirukta wrote Yaska. I mean, every year at least one question will definitely came in the match of the following. As we can see, last year 25 questions were in the format of match of the following, whether it's current, it's history, it's geography. So they are more oriented towards the match of the following type questions. Okay. Next, if we talk about the Vartika, was author of Katyan. Vartika was the author of Katyan. Next question, who of the following was the writer of Mudra Raksha? Mudra Raksha was written by Vishakha Datta. Okay, next same question, Mudra Raksha was written by Vishakha Datta. Next question, which of the following classical work of literature were written during the Gupta era? They are asking which of the work was written during the Gupta era. So all the four options like Amarkosh, Kama Sutra, Meghaduta, Mudra Raksha was written during the Gupta era. If we talk about who wrote Amarkosh, written by Amar Singh. Kama Sutra was written by Vatsyayana. Meghaduta was written by Kalidas. Okay, you need to remember the author's name. And Mudra Raksha written by Vishakha Datta. We have learned in earlier question. Okay, in the last question we learned about this. Next, Dashkumar Charitam was composed by Dantin. So Dashkumar Charitam was a book which was composed by Dantin. Apart from that, if we talk about if we learn about the Tulsidas and Kalidas, so Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitmanas, Vinay Patrika, and Kavitavali. Okay, these three books was definitely he has written other books as well, but these are the most important. You need to know Ramcharitmanas, Vinaya Patrika, and Kavitavali. Next, Kalidasa. Kalidas wrote these books: Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kumar Shambhava, Malavika Gitram, or Meghadutam. Okay, these four books was written by Kalidas. Please to revise. Next, Dashavataram. Dashkumar Charitam was written by अभी हमने पढ़ा Dantin. Okay, next Kumar Sambhava अभी हमने देखा कालिदास. कुमार संभव कालिदास. Okay, अभी इस क्वेश्चन में हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा ना. Next, which of the following drama was not written by Kalidas? देखो हमें पता है हमने मलविका गिनिमित्रम पढ़ लिया, कुमार संभव पढ़ लिया, अभिज्ञान शकुंतलम पढ़ लिया. हमने ये जनाकी हरणम नहीं पढ़ा. तो दिस वाज नॉट रिटन बाय कालिदासा. इट वाज रिटन बाय कुमार दासा. This is the last chapter of ancient history. After completing this chapter, we will be done with this ancient history. Okay. Next question, which one of the following book is not written by Kalidas? कालिदास के द्वारा हमें पता मेघदूतम, कुमार संभवम, ऋतु संभ्रम, ये सब तो कालिदास ने लिखी है, बट ये Uttara Ramcharitram was not written by the Kalidas. Okay, it was written by Bhavabhuti. It was written by Bhavabhuti. Please take A4 sheet. I mean write Kalidas, तुलसीदास, जितने भी आपको दिख रहे हैं उनकी 4-5 बुक, 5-6 बुक जितने भी आप लिख लीजिए, सो दैट आपको याद करने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ओके, आपको याद करने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू. थोड़ा स्मार्ट वर्क के साथ साथ कभी कभी हार्ड वर्क भी कर लेना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, बाइबल बुक ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक रिलेटेड टू द नाट्य शास्त्र. तो जो नॉर्थ इंडिया की जो म्यूजिक से रिलेटेड बाइबल है वो नाट्य शास्त्र है, ठीक है ना. और इसको जो ये भारत मुनि को एट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. इट इज एट्रीब्यूटेड टू भारत मुनि, रिलेटेड टू भारत मुनि. नेक्स्ट, पाणिनि अष्टाध्याय हमने पढ़ा. पाणिनि हमने अर्थशास्त्र पता है, चाणक्य से रिलेटेड है. राष्ट्ररंगिनी हमें पता है, कलहना से रिलेटेड है. अब बचा क्या, हमने कामसूत्र भी मैंने बताया आपको किसने लिखा था, वत्स्यायना ने. तो ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन था. नेक्स्ट, विच व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ कलहाना's बुक, अभी बताया, राष्ट्ररंगिनी. रिटेड बाय कलहाना. क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ ऑलरेडी. इसमें पूछा कि इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. कलहाना ने जो राष्ट्ररंगिनी लिखी है कौन से किंगडम के बारे, मतलब किसके बारे में जिक्र किया है. आई मीन ही टॉक्ड अबाउट विच history or which kingdom. So he talked about in his book History of Kashmir. In Rashtrangani he talked about the history of Kashmir. Ashtadhyaaya written by Panini, same question. Okay, let me check how many questions in this chapter of ancient literature. There are about 80 questions, so we will cover in this session. Okay, no other session required to complete this chapter. Okay, next, historical work. गोडवाहो लाइक कलहाना's राष्ट्ररंगिनी वॉज रिटन बाय, जैसे राष्ट्ररंगिनी कलहाना ने लिखी थी ना, एक और हिस्टोरिकल वर्क है. गोडवाहो किसने लिखा है, वो वकपति ने लिखा है. इट वॉज रिटन बाय वकपति. ओके, गोडवाहो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑथर्स एंड वर्क. भरावी, हर्षा. ओके, सो वी नीड टू मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ओके, नीड टू मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. कालिदासा wrote this book. Harsha written Nagananda. Okay, Kalidasa written Malavika Ginimitram. Okay, Rajashekara written Karpura Manjari, and Bharavi wrote this Kiratajunium. Okay, Kiratajunium. I know it's thoda new fact hai, but there's no other option. You have to revise this, you have to learn this. Either you watch this video twice, thrice, or 5 times, or 10 times, whatever it takes. But you can think, I would watch in 1.75 speed or 1.5. That's your choice. Next, who wrote the book? Kiratarjunia. It was written by Bharavi. अभी हमने इसके बारे में बात की. ओके, Bharavi. It describing about the combat between Arjuna and Lord Shiva. ये भी थोड़ा याद कर लीजिए. Next, which of the following Sanskrit work has taken up their theme from the Mahabharata? इनमें से कौन सा संस्कृत वर्क ने जो अपनी वर्क थीम ली है वो महाभारत से ली है? all of the नहीं, first, second, third. ठीक है ना, first, second, third. If you talk about the Nishtya Charita was written by Shri Harsha. You need to know the author definitely. And Kiratarjunyam was written by I think author not mentioned here. You can skip it. It was I think we have talked about this earlier. Bharavi. It was written by Bharavi, and it was a conversation or combat between Arjuna and Lord Shiva. In the earliest Nishadhyacharitam is a story of Nala and Damayanti. Nala and Damayanti. Shishupavada was a story. Shishupavada was written by Magha. Was written by Magha. Okay. If you talk about the last, Dashkumar Charitam was written by Dandi. Was written by Dandi. Okay. It is related to the adventure of 10 princes. Related to the adventure of 10 princes. Next question. Match of the following. Vishakadatta. Vishakadatta is a drama related to drama. Already told you. Okay. Vishakadatta related to drama. Next. Varahimira is related to the astronomy. Okay. Astronomy. Charaka is related to the medicine. And Brahmagupta is related to the mathematician. Okay. So these are the prominent personalities of that ancient time. So they're asking these prominent personalities related to the which field. So Varamihara is an Indian astronomer. He was an Indian astronomer. Okay. Next, Charaka was related to the field of was a famous physician of Kanishka. You can also learn this the fact. Charaka was a famous court physician of Kanishka. Okay. And he wrote the Charaka Samhita. If you talk about the Brahmagupta, was an Indian mathematician. Brahmagupta was Indian mathematician. Okay. Indian mathematician. Vishakadatta we know about. It's related to drama. Mudra Raksha was a historical drama. Mudra Raksha was a historical drama of Vishakadatta. Okay. Next question. I think the same question repeated after around 29 years. I would like to mention here that it came in IAS prelims 1996, then BPSC 2023. I've already mentioned Charaka related to the medicine, Brahmagupta related to the mathematician, and Vishakadatta is related to the playwright, and Varamihara related to the astrology. Okay, option number is correct. Next, Charaka Samhita, medicine. It was related by the Charaka. Okay. Charaka Samhita is divided into how many chapters? They are asking the Charaka Samhita, which was written by Charaka. It was divided in how many chapters? It was divided into 120 chapters and 8 sections. Next, which of the following is not written by the Varamihara? It was Amarkosh was not written by this. Other than this, all the three mentioned compositions were written by the Varamihara. Okay, you need to learn all three because definitely they will ask in match of the following. So Amarkosh was written by, already told you, Amar Simha. Okay, Amarkosh written by Amar Simha. Brihat Samhita was and Brihat Jataka was written by these Varamihara. Next question. The Pancha Siddhanta of Varamihara is based upon Greek astronomy. It is based upon the Greek astronomy. Next, Nitisara, an early book of politics, was written by Kamandaka. Okay, Kamandaka. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? They are asking which of the following is not correctly matched. If you know the correctly matched, it will be easy to eliminate the options. Okay. Ratnavali was written by the Harsha. Okay. Raghuvansha was written by the Kalidasa. When it comes to Kadambari, it was not written by Shubandhu. It was not written by Shubandhu. Okay. Because it was composed by the Banabhatta. Okay. You need to learn the author's name along with the compositions. Okay. A, B and D is correct. C is incorrect. Next. Very interesting question. Milini Panna jo hai, it was a Buddhist book in Pali language. You need to know. It was written in Pali language. Okay. It is Buddhist text. Okay, it is Buddhist text. Kind of conversation between Nagasena and Milinda. Okay, Minder actually was an Indo-Greek king. He was an Indo-Greek king. So it was written in Pali language. So, next question. Buddhist text Milinpanna throw light on which of the Indo-Greek? Meander. Okay, Milinpanna, it was the Nagasena and Meander's conversation. Okay, related to the Nagasena and Meander conversation. Next, Milinpanna is in the form of dialogue between King Meander and Buddhist monk Nagasena. Next, Milinpanna is in the form of dialogue between King Milind and Buddhist saint. The concerned saint was Nagasena. देखो same question है, वही घुमा फिर आगे देखो. UP pieces pre में 2023 में पूछ लिया. After 27 years. Okay. Next, the religious text which explain about the 8 different phases of agriculture work. Milinpanna. Actually, this text talked about the different phases of agriculture work. Okay, it was written by the Nagasena. Milinpanna was written by the Nagasena. Okay, it explained about the 8 different phases of agriculture works. Okay, agriculture work, and it was written in Pali language. Okay. Next question. With reference to Indian history, consider the following text. Okay, text being mentioned here. And which of the above are Jain texts? They are asking. They are Jain text, Buddhist text. Okay. So if we talk about the Parishatravan, it was written by Hemchandra. Tarishiklakshkhana, I mean very hard to pronounce, written by Chavund, are Jain text. These two are Jain text, rest are Buddhist text. Buddhist text are rest are Buddhist text. This and this Buddhist text. Second and fourth is Jain text. Next, Amir Khusrau, court poet and king. Okay, Amir Khusrau was a court poet of Alauddin Khilji, whereas Kalidasa was a court poet of Chandragupta II. Harisena was a court poet of Samudragupta, and whereas Banabhatta was a court poet of Harshvardhana. So B is correct answer. Next, the contemporary ruler of Kalhana, the author of Rashtrangani, was Jai Singh. From Kashmir. Jai Singh from Kashmir. Okay. How many tarangas are in Rashtrangani of? There are 8 tarangas in Rashtrangani of Kalhanas. Okay. Next question. Who among the following continued the Rashtrangani of Kalhana? Jon Raja and Shriwala continued the Rashtrangani of Kalhana. Okay. Next, Saundrananda was a composition of Ashwaghosha. Okay, Saundrananda was a composition of Ashwaghosha. Next, Nagananda, Ratnavali, Priyadashika was written by Harshvardhana. All 3 compositions were written by the Harshvardhana. Okay, बहुत important, very important. Next, which of the following work was authored by the Harsha? हमने देखा Priyadashika, Nagananda, and Ratnavali. Okay, Harsharita was written by Banabhatta. Okay. Next, who among the following play was written by the Harshvardhana? Priyadashika. Okay. Next, among the 4 works mentioned below, which one is Encyclopedia of Nature? Brihat Samhita. Okay. It was written by Vraha Mihira. Okay. It was Encyclopedia of Nature. Next, with reference to the history of ancient India, Bhavabhuti, Hastimalla, Shemeshwara was famous for playwright. Okay, they was famous for playwright. Next, if we talk about correctly matched, which of the above options are correctly matched? Okay, Buddha Charita was written by composed by Vashubandhu, we know. ठीक है ना, बुद्ध चरित्र was composed by Vashubandhu. Okay. Harsh Charita Banabhatta, I already told you. This is also correct. Mudra Raksha Vishakadatta, this is also correct. Okay. These. Now we will move to the Mrich Katikam. Okay. Mrich Katikam. This option is not correct. This option is not correct. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. First is correct, second is not correct, because Buddha Charita was not composed by Vashubandhu. Okay, Vashubandhu. It was composed by Ashughosa. Oh, sorry. How can I made this mistake? Ashughosa. Okay, sorry. Please do correct. Buddha Charita was written by Ashughosa. I got confused by so much facts. Sorry. So Buddha Charita was composed by Ashughosa. Mudra Raksha composed by Vishakadatta, and Harish Charita was composed by Banabhatta. Okay. So first, third, fourth is correct. Second is incorrect. Next, with the reference to the scholars' literature of ancient India, consider the following statement. They are asking, Panini is associated with Pushyamitra Sunga. No. He was not associated with Pushyamitra Sunga because Panini was related to the South Indian kingdom. ठीक है ना? He was around. Patanjali was associated with Pushyamitra Sunga. If we talk about Patanjali was associated with Pushyamitra Sunga. Amar Simha is Gupta is associated with is Gupta Harshvardhana. No. Amar Simha was also among the Navratna, so great. He was not associated with Harshvardhana. He was associated with Chandragupta II. Because he was one of the Navratnas in the court of Chandragupta II. Okay. Definitely Kalidasa associated with the Gupta Chandragupta II. Okay, Kalidasa. ये तो आँख बंद करके सीधा टिक मार्क लगाइए. But you should know that Patanjali was associated with the court of Pushyamitra Sunga. Okay, Pushyamitra Sunga. When it comes to Amarshima and Kalidasa, they were two Navratnas among the. Okay, there was 9 Navratnas. Okay, 9 gems. So there were 2 Navratnas. 2 Ratnas, I would say, not Navratna. There was 2 Ratnas in the court of Chandragupta II. Next. Author and text. Varamihara wrote Brihat Samhita. Okay, we know this. Vishakadatta wrote Devi Chandragupta. Correct. Shudraka wrote, we have already learned this fact in earlier question. Mrich Katikam. Okay. Bilhana wrote this Vikram Dev Charita. Okay. So option number B is correct. Next question. I think I will not be able to finish in this session. I need to open other session. Okay. Okay. There is author, literature and authors mentioned. So Devi Chandraguptam was written by Vishakadatta. And when it comes to Hamera Mahakavya was written by Nyaya Chandra Suri. Milind Panna was written by Nagasena, we all know. And ये थोड़ा new fact है. Okay. नीति वाक्य मित्र written by सोमदेवा, ये भी न्यू फैक्ट है. ये दोनों थोड़े न्यू फैक्ट है, मैंने अंडरलाइन कर दिए, थोड़ा याद कर लीजिए. ओके. Next, which among the following sources throw light on the history of Parmar dynasty? All of the above. कौन सी सोर्सेज परमार डायनेस्टी के ऊपर लाइट मतलब बताती है? लाइट थ्रो का मतलब ये होता है. सो इसमें से अगर हम देखें तो उदयपुर प्रशस्ति tells about this. Prabandha Chintamani of Merutunga tells about this. Nav Shashank Charit of Padma Gupta tells about this. Okay. All of the above mentioned tells about this. I don't think this is much important. Still, you can revise. Not correct पूछा. हमें पता है कि Shaundrananda was written by Ashughosa. Correct. Mudra written by Vishaka Datta, correct. Malavika Ginimitram written by Kalidasa, correct. But Karpur Manjari was not written by Harsha. It was written by Rajashekara. Karpur Manjari was written by Rajashekara. Okay, so option 1 is incorrect. Who wrote Shakuntalam? Kalidasa wrote Shakuntalam. Who will wrote Shakuntalam? There were 7 identified works of Kalidas. अगर हम देखें अच्छे से, ये सब है विक्रम और वर्ष्यम, मलाविका, गिनिमित्रम, रघुवंशम, कुमार संभवम, मेघदत्तम, ऋतु संपन्नम. Okay, these were 7 there are many prominent works. Please do learn. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Please like, share and subscribe because मेरी तबीयत भी थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है, so I am not able to pronounce this efficiently. Thank you.